one-wheeled electric bicycle. So you can also say it as a bike, and it looks very unique and very easy to make at home. So for this we need some components. One is this Rio motor, like this. So it is easily available on any online site. Two ice cream sticks, a switch, and a tape this much wide, medium wide, not very wide, and this much big. So it is also available, no problem with that. And we need to solder some parts, but if you don't want to solder, you can also tape it, but actually taping is temporary, so I don't recommend that. But if you don't have, you can do the work with that. So you need a soldering iron, wire, so with this we will solder. And we will also need a glue gun, because we have to glue some parts. You can also use Fevikwik, but it also glues our hands sometimes, so glue gun if you have it is better. And we need a battery with a connector. So now we have to do some connections. So I am going to solder it and show you the connections. So guys, as you can see that I have soldered it. So the connection, I'll tell you the connection. It will not be visible, I think. So I'll tell you the connection. So the black and so the negative wire, the black will be directly connected from the battery to the motor, but the positive wire, as you now I think it is visible, it will be cut between, and we will join the switch with between. And remember that, and take care that both the halves do not join with the switch. I'll show you. I don't know if it is focused or not. I'll just focus it. I don't think, but take care that they don't join each other, otherwise it will automatically start working if even the switch is off. So take care of that, and do it under parental guidance, otherwise soldering may even burn your hand. So now comes the gluing part. So now as we have soldered, so now we'll join. I'll show you how to join. Just a second. So we will join the motor like this. So take care that the soldering doesn't get detached. So we'll glue it like this, so that both the where the motors work do not get stuck between the tape. So make sure that they are going outside, and I'll just glue it and show it to you so that it will be easy to understand. So actually I had told you that I will do the gluing part, but it has been 2 to 3 hours when I said that, because I was trying a lot. I glued the stick also, but I was facing problems to start it. So sorry for that, but I'll show you what I did. So I glued the motor like this, then its opposite will be the battery, and in between our switch will be there. So again I'll tell you that take care that anything does not get detached, and they are fixed with care, otherwise the switch can sometimes break. So what mistake I did was, I do not want that you repeat that. And I also want to tell you that we have to paste the sticks. Actually what I was doing was, I was pasting this stick over here, so there was no space for it to spin. So I will show you clearly. We have to paste it like this. So do not do that mistake, otherwise your whole work will be ruined. So I'll show you how it works. It is very easy to make at home, but you have to take care that you do not make any mistake. This is the only mistake, otherwise if there is any error in the connection, you should already check it when you do not gluing. Without gluing, you should first check that if the switch is working or not, so it will work well. So now I'll show you how it runs. It looks I've already started it, so I'll show you how it works. So as you can see, it is working. So I'm sorry for the lighting, but so it has started. Actually my battery has weakened a bit, so it may take a bit to start. So as you can see, and take care that it does not get detached or something, because everything matters and all signs matter.